So I've explained to you the three types of website, but some of you do not know what truly deep web is or dark web is. But Google, it's pretty explanatory, just all the public website that you can see in Google. Now, in terms of deep web, the deep web primarily consists of content that is not meant for public consumption or has intentionally been hidden from general view. So as I mentioned earlier, it's basically not authorized by Google. It is protected by Google in some security that so now it will not be published in public. And this includes private databases, academic research, subscription-based content, government resources. So here, if you go to the deep web, you can literally access all of the news of the government that is hidden from the public, which is basically that is illegal doing that. But yeah, I'll explain to you later. And other similar materials, these parts of the web are typically shielded from search engine crawlers and require specific login credentials or knowledge of the website addresses to access. So yeah, if you wanted to access some deep web links, you need some account that is basically has credentials or knowledge of the website, or maybe if you know the password of the website, if you're an ethical hacker or maybe a hacker who wanted to access that specific website, then you will be able to do that if you know the use of deep web. So yeah, that is deep web basically in a nutshell. If I explain it in a fast way or logical manner, it's just all the website that is hidden, all the government website that is all of their database, their information that is basically the hidden it, make it private. You can access that if you wish in the deep web. So yeah, that is the deep web.